Cold calling is a great way to book appointments with potential customers. By following a few simple tips, you can increase your chances of success. Here are some tips on how to use cold calling to book appointments. Do your research. Before you start calling, take some time to learn about the people you're calling. What are their job titles? What are their interests? What are their needs? The more you know about your prospects, the better equipped you'll be to have a successful conversation. Personalize your pitch. Your pitch should be tailored to the specific needs of each prospect. Don't just give a generic spiel about your product or service. Instead, focus on how your product or service can help the prospect add what we can do to solve his problem or achieve a goal. Be confident and enthusiastic. When you're cold calling, it's important to project confidence and enthusiasm. People are more likely to want to meet with you if they believe that you're knowledgeable and passionate about what you're selling. Be persistent. Cold calling can be tough, but it's important to be persistent. Don't get discouraged if you hear a lot of no's. The more people you call, the more appointments you'll book. Here's an example of a cold calling script that you can use to book appointments. Introduction. Hi, John. My name is Alex, and I'm calling from, and we add our company. I'm reaching out because I noticed that you're a, and we add the job title at, and we add the company name, pitch, at our company. We help add what we can do to solve his problem or achieve a goal. I'd be happy to schedule a free consultation to discuss your specific needs and how we can help. Call to action. Are you available for a call next week on that date and at that time? If the prospect is not available, offer to schedule a call at a different time or to send them more information. Here are some additional tips for booking appointments through cold calling. Use a CRM system to track your calls and appointments. This will help you stay organized and manage your pipeline effectively. Qualify your leads. Not all leads are created equal. Some leads will be more qualified than others. Qualify your leads by scoring them based on their fit for your product or service and their level of interest. Prioritize your leads. Once you have qualified your leads, prioritize them based on their score. The highest scoring leads should be your first priority. Nurture your leads. Don't just start calling your leads right away. Nurture them with informative content and engage with them on social media. This will help you to build relationships with your leads and make them more likely to book an appointment with you when you do call them. By following these tips, you can use cold calling to book appointments with potential customers and grow your business.